This is a video on the disassembly, re-greasing, and clutch replacement for the Champion 11,000 pound winch. Okay, so we have 4 components on the winch. We've got our drum, we've got our gearbox, we've got our motor, and we've got our control box. So I'm going to start by disconnecting the control box and removing the leads on the motor end. I'm going to make sure I mark the leads before I take them off. Already we can see a difference in one of the 3 leads here. The 2 on the left are corrosion free. The one on the right is very badly corroded. So I'm going to be cleaning this up. Alright, so after disconnecting the wires, all I did was pull out those 2 long bolts at the base of the motor, and it slid right out perfectly. And this motor looks like in good condition. There's no rust, corrosion, dirt inside. The windings are good, there's no burn marks. One thing to note is this small ring right here. This sits at the very back of the motor, pretty much right there against the bearing. So you can check your bearing here too, and my bearing's good. Alright, so I just removed my control box. You can see it's already coming apart on the left side. So I guess this is how I'm going to slide the gears out. Take this over here. Got our spline. It's looking good. Okay, let's take the drum off. Zip tied my drum. Alright, so I just loosened off all those perimeter bolts here with the Allen key. Just going to go through them with the drill. Alright, so this first gear comes out. There's the bottom. Okay, so I've got the gears out, and I've still got this gear in here that's held in by the clutch. So in order for me to pull this clutch out, it's threaded. And in the back there is a set screw. So make sure you loosen off that set screw before you try and unthread it, because this is what the new clutch looks like. Alright, so let's pull this thing out. And there's literally nothing left of it compared to this one there. So I gotta get out those old parts. Alright, so just got it set up in a tray here using some degreaser and brake parts cleaner. So my grease is actually alright, so I'm not going to get too crazy into it. So this is now my probably my 5th time taking it apart and putting it back together. I didn't have one of the gears, I guess, in properly, or my clutch wasn't in properly. So either way, I've rectified both those. And I've also found that you need about 100 pairs of gloves too, so you can stay clean. You have to keep washing your hands and getting it all over the place and making a mess. So get a chair too, like I'm sitting. Makes it so much easier. So it's comfort here. I've been at it probably about like 5 hours now. So I stopped for lunch and I'm back at it. Alright, so I've got the whole gear assembly back together now. Got some gasket maker just drying and some sealant just on the inside there for the two mating surfaces. And you know you have your gears in properly when you spin the center shaft. Then the outside shaft should turn, the outside gears should turn very slowly. Then you know it's good. Alright, so I now have my winch set to free spool, and it's turning. So, mission complete.